everyone, myself Shreya Kakre and I am from Dr. R.G. Boer Institute of Pharmacy. Today I am grateful to share my view on forensic science education in India and its challenges and opportunities. So forensic science is basically a branch of science which works for detection and investigation of crime. It has a main aim to give justice to the victim. Now many of us are aware about this field through a TV show called CID. But have you ever thought, how does forensic science work for society? And how does it give its great impact on nation's justice system? Let us get enlightened from the very beginning. Very few of us are aware about the truth that forensic science was basically originated from our country. Yes, 2300 years ago, Chanakya Kautilya have written Arthashastra, which mentions several methods for the detection of poisoning by observing the behavioral changes in the bird. Isn't it interesting to know about? On academic level, in 1959, the Sagar University, Madhya Pradesh have first started the forensic science and criminology education in our country. Further, in 1957, the first forensic laboratory was established in Calcutta. Now with increasing the demand of forensic expertise, we have 132 private colleges and 57 government colleges of forensic science in our country. We all know that India has a huge population, which significantly give rise in the increase in the crime case. On that basis, working with forensic science could be a great career opportunity for the youth of India. But how to enroll in this field? Let me tell you, one can enter in this field by giving entrance exams like GATE, GPAT, CUET post-graduation and JEE. The student must have to qualify 12th class from science stream. It is basically a 3-year course with a semester pattern examination. And the approx fees of this course is around 2 lakhs in our country. The top universities that provide this course include Jamia Hamdard University, Gujarat University, Banaras Hindu University and Punjab University. A forensic science graduate get opportunity to work in the multiple streams. For example, by being a forensic science expert. Now we can recall Dr. Sarung K from CID. Yes, he was working for the same field, as they have to collect an evidence from the crime scene and give it autopsy as a report. Further, with the increase in the crime case, the media house has huge demand for crime reporters and journalists. It could be a good field for beginners. By being a professor in colleges and universities can also be a good option to settle in this field. One can also join the field by working as fingerprinting expert, cyber security analyst and fraud investigators. No doubt that forensic science is a career-changing field, yet it has to face several challenges for its execution. First of all, there is really lack of awareness regarding the job profile and education pattern of forensic science. Secondly, the syllabus should be modified as there is a huge difference between academic education and the laboratory skill requirements from a student. The internship and training program should be compulsory to each student. Further, it is a stressful and mind-disturbing field in terms of it regularly have to deal with dead bodies. Along with that, the recruitment rules should be modified for graduates and postgraduates, as securing a government job is the hardest task in itself. I strongly believe that by modifying all these challenges, the forensic science will become one of the leading team and leading field in the future and will give rise to the brightest future of our nation. Thank you.